Namaste. I am Dr. Shama Kadri from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. And today in this video, we are going to talk about lower limb amputation. As we discussed before about upper limb amputation, so I hope you all know well about what is amputation and what are the level of amputation for upper limb and what are the indications for the amputation. So let's begin with the lower limb amputation. So the as name indicates, lower limb amputation. That means the removal of the limb within from or any area of part from lower limb. So the levels of lower limb amputations are hemipelvectomy, hip disarticulation, uh, transfemoral amputation. Here it may have short upper knee, standard upper knee, and above knee, short above knee, and long above knee amputation. And after that, it may consist knee disarticulation, and after that, below knee articulation, below knee amputation. This is also known as tibial amputation, performed as short below knee amputation, standard below knee amputation, and long below knee amputation. After that, it may consist same amputation. Uh, in the foot, there is same amputation, chopart amputation, and Lindsference amputations, transmetatarsal amputations, partial toe disarticulations. The basic principles are anesthesia, general anesthesia or systemic anesthesia if required, tourniquets, contraindicate in the ischemic limb, skin flap, good coverage, mobile and adequate length, muscle section 5 centimeter distal to bony section, myodesis, suturing of bone, myoplasty, opposing muscles are sutured, advantage, shape of the stump good, insulate cut nerve endings, muscles originating proximally provide good leverage, phantom pain may be prevented, prevent retraction and painful muscle contraction, blood vessels, double ligations and cut, nerve, pull and cut so that it retracts into the stump, bone, rain 48 to 72 hours after program. The dressing is done as rigid dressing, soft dressing. Rigid dressing is performed POP cast, decrease some edema, early healing, less post operation pain, temporary prosthetic fitting. Post dressing, soft bandages and elastocrap bandages. In rehabilitation, first we perform soap, begin as soon as possible. After that, goals are to reduce edema, increase strength, prevent contracture, maximize functional independence, balance and coordination activities for gait training, walking aids, also vocational training, pain management, psychoeducation. The complications may be seen as hematoma, infections, necrosis, contractures, painful neuromas, phantom limb. Phantom limb may be prevented by treatment of nerve at the surgery, myoplastic procedure, and proper stump bandaging and stump exercise. The stump should be in ideal length, ideal shape, muscular, good power of muscle, no fixed deformity, full and free movement of joint above, infection free, non-adherent incisional scar, Absence of neuroma can be achieved by the stump drainage, stump splitting, stump bandaging, stump exercise early, and stump hygiene. As we talk about the same amputation, this is the ankle disarticulation, removal of malleoli, the advantage that patient can walk without a prosthesis. Lisfranc amputation, amputation through middle of the foot. Severe equinus deformity is the indication. Friction is anterior-posterior part of the stump. Chopard amputation is the amputation through mid-tarsal joint. Subtalar fusion and elongation of tendo Achilles. Discarded because of same reason. Pigroff amputation, the anterior part of calcaneum is cut across and raw bone is fixed to the raw undersurface of tibia. Body amputation, talus is exceeded, calcaneum is advanced and affected to the raw undersurface of tibia, stable load bearing surface. So thank you. This is all about the lower limb amputation. Hope you understand it well. If you have any queries related to this video, ask me in comment section. This video is powered by digital version of 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. खुश रहिए.